What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I've got another one for you today. I want to get into IMMR stock, or Immersion Corp. Now, they have over 3 billion devices using their technology, 15 award-winning designs and products, 150 licensed customers, ranging from mobile phone technology, automotive technology, and haptic feedback for gaming. They have partnerships with companies like Striker VR, featuring their fully adjustable haptics in the Striker product. And they also work with a company called Faurecia, not sure if that's how you say it, but they work together providing haptic interactive touch on center console displays. And of course, I'll leave you the links as always so you can read this for yourself. But if you're bullish on the Metaverse, I think IMMR is a great pick where it's at right now, price-wise. The Metaverse market is expected to grow by 2028 to about 872 billion, capturing a revenue compound annual growth rate of about 44%. And looking at the stock price, we're at 571, only a $188 million market cap, a PE of 9, a PE of roughly 9, 52-week low of 511 with a 52-week high of 1664. We are very close to that 52-week low. And according to this article, Immersion has a ROCE, or return on capital employed. Now the tech industry is typically around a 9% ROCE, where Immersion is an 11%, which is a good thing. Now jumping into the stock here, you see this huge drop, huge gap down. This was their earnings they missed, and I'll bring it up here for you. Now they missed their revenue, and it was actually down over the previous quarter. That's why we've been having this sell-off, and it was already expected not to do too great. It was already expected to be under, and they underperformed that low expectation. So I think that's partly why it sold off a bit, and we've been continuing downwards. I do expect the holiday season will take this one by surprise. Estimates aren't too great, and I have a feeling it's going to do pretty good. I don't like to trade based on earnings, but I do expect this next earnings to kind of hit people by surprise. If you look at their last quarter of each year, it's typically at the high point of the year. See that again, high point of the year. And this is going down to the low point of the year after all the Christmas hype, after everyone buys their PlayStation 5s. We'll see how they did on their earnings through Christmas season, but it's just one thing to think about. The end of year seems to be their best quarter typically, so it might hit us by surprise. And March 3rd is the upcoming earnings date. So put March 3rd on your calendar. We hit that right here is that 52-week low that we hit, that 511. We bounced off of that a bit, and now we're kind of just trading sideways. It almost looks like a bit of a head and shoulders. It almost looks like we have somewhat of a head and shoulders, a very weak head and shoulders. Just be aware of that. I'm going to be watching this one this week. Look for it to turn around. I think this is a potentially great play on the Metaverse, and it seems to be very slept on with also a very small market cap, meaning once it gets that hype back up, it's going to build up and move very quickly. And you'll see on the RSI, we are on the lower level of it. So it can build up and run quite a bit before topping off and indicating that it's a bit overbought. I would give this a couple days. Keep an eye on it this week. Just wanted to put it on your radar, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I do appreciate it, and I do put out daily videos. Thanks as always, guys. And until next time, peace.